Hi guys, welcome to this video. So guys, in this video, I'll tell you how to get the required symbol of any country in your Excel. For example, I type here 123 and I want to get a currency symbol over here. We'll simply go over here and press this button. Sometimes what happens is when you purchase new devices, this dollar sign is by default. Maybe because Microsoft is an American company or what is the reason, I don't know. But sometimes in some devices it is not there. It is the default currency of that country, but sometimes it dollar sign is by default. So how to change this as per your country specification? I'll give the example for India. So we'll have to go to the control panel, click on this clock and region, then click on this change date, time or number formats. You will get this dialog box. Now select your country over here. Suppose it is India only. Okay. Now go into additional settings. Go into this currency tab. You will see that rupee is showing over here. So just select rupee over here. Click on apply. Okay. Then apply. Okay. Then just close the control panel. As you can see, it is not showing over here rupees. First of all, we have to close the MS Excel, then open it again. Don't save. Now I'll open it again. Now, as you can see that it is changed. Let me enter an amount. Yes, as you can see, it is now showing rupees. Earlier, it was showing dollars. So in this way, you can alter your currency symbol as per your country. I hope you like the video. Do share it with your friends and comment, and do subscribe to the channel for more intuitive content in the future. Thank you so much.